My video is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called Blackoutware. Blackoutware is the ransomware that belongs to a special family of infections classified as ransomware, which means that it encrypts the data and damages the files. My video though is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video I will just show you the negative impact of the ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Blackoutware ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then it encrypts the data and damages the files. It also reveals this ransom note, and it appends this blow extension to the file names. The ransomware, as I said, tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, but I urge you not to waste your money and not to pay the ransom. There's no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay the ransom. So I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The software might first of all update its anti-malware database, so don't skip this very important step. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps you to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by Combo Cleaner, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know all their locations on your computer. Based on that information, some threats can be removed manually, but my strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for getting your data always protected. And you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.